Welcome students. In this video, let us look at the diameter form of a circle. That means, if for a circle, any two endpoints of a diameter are given to you. As you know, if you have a circle, there are infinite number of diameters. You can draw any number of diameters. Any chord which passes through the center is called a diameter. So you have infinite number of diameters. Of all those diameters, the endpoints of one of the diameters are given to you. So if this information is given to you, can you find the equation of circle? Theoretically, yes. Because if the endpoints of diameter are given, effectively if you find the midpoint of AB, you get the center, right? The midpoint of diameter is the center. And if you find the distance AB, that will give you the diameter. So distance AB by 2 is diameter by 2, which is the radius. So effectively, if you know these 2 points, you know the center, you know the radius. So once you know the center and radius, you can find the equation of circle. You can find the equation of circle. But let us look at a better way and easier way to find the equation of circle if these two numbers are given. So the theory is something like this. If the endpoints of diameter are given, is there some condition which each and every point on the circle satisfies? Yes. If you take any point on the circle, the angle between AP and PB will always be equal to 90 degrees. Because this is a property of a circle. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So the condition is AP perpendicular to PB. AP is perpendicular to PB. Now what is the mathematical way in which I can write this condition? I can write the condition like slope of AP times slope of BP has to be equal to -1. Because these two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes is -1. And what is the mathematical form of slope? If a general point is taken as xy, the given points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Slope of AP is y minus y1 by x minus x1 into y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to -1. This implies y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. This implies if you bring all the terms onto one side, you get x minus x1 times x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is called the diameter form of the equation of a circle. So let us take a very simple example. If this point is given as 2, 3, if this point is given as 4, 7, if 2, 3 and 4, 7 are endpoints of the diameter, what is the equation of the circle? According to this equation, x1, y1 is 2, 3, x2, y2 is 4, 7. So the equation is x minus 2 times x minus 4 plus y minus 3 times y minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 2 times x minus 4 plus y minus 3 times y minus 7 equal to 0. So once you write this, you can expand the equation afterwards. That is, you get x square and you get a y square. Minus 2x minus 4x, you get a minus 6x. Minus 3y minus 7y, you get a minus 10y. 8 plus 21, so you get a 29 equal to 0. This is the required equation. You can also do this question by the general method. That is, first you can find the center, So what will be the center? 2 plus 4 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 by 2 is 5. So 3, 5 is the center. What is r square? So d square, diameter square, is equal to 4 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square. That is 2 square plus 4 square. That is equal to 20. So this implies 4r square is equal to 20. R square is equal to 5. So you get the center, you get r square. So what is the equation? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 5. This implies x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 9 plus 25. It is 9 plus 25 is 34 is equal to 5. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 29 is equal to 0. Can you see that you got exactly the same answer? But this is easier, right? So you need to remember this diameter form of a circle. X minus x1 times x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 is equal to 0. Thank you.